Hey guys, welcome back to Technicos. If you are on a Mac and still downloading apps manually, you are missing out a lot of things. In this video, I will install Homebrew. Homebrew is a package manager for macOS, like an app store but for developers. It lets you install everything from Node.js to Python with just one command. I know many people even from CS background feel a bit uneasy using the terminal, but trust me, Homebrew makes it super simple. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install it step by step. So before installing Homebrew, we need a couple of things. You need to install Xcode command line tools for Homebrew to work perfectly. So we will be doing that. Simply write the command that I am typing. Don't worry, you don't need to install the complete Xcode. Xcode select -- install. The moment you hit enter, you can see command line tools are already installed in my Mac, but you will install it if you don't have installed already. Once we are done with this, open your browser, search for Homebrew, open Homebrew. Okay, the first command to install Homebrew is this. Just copy this, go back to your terminal, paste and hit enter. Put your password and press enter. So it's downloading and installing Homebrew. While it is doing that, let me show you. You have a lot of things here in their documentation. Further, if you want to know about Homebrew and the development, you can go here, docs.brew.sh, including the maintainers, contributors, and a lot of things. So I think it's done. Yeah. Although the Homebrew is installed, but it will not work directly. You need to add this Homebrew to your path to actually use it. It has already given us the commands that is required to do that. To make your life more easier, just copy these commands. If you don't understand what you need to paste, go back to ChatGPT and write prompt, give me the command mentioned here. Simply you will get the command. The first one, copy this, paste it here, hit enter. You are done. Simply. The second one, copy this, paste, hit enter. The last one, just close the terminal, open the terminal again, hit command brew help. You can see it's working, it's installed. You have everything. Let's install something with the help of Homebrew. Let's install brew, install htop. It's installing. So you can see it's working just fine. We have Homebrew installed. Thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.